All right, guys, let's go. It's another awesome day in the stock market. Of course, the market opens and we go flying back to the upside now today. But so far, so good to the downside. We've seen some amazing pre-market drops here. And I mean amazing pre-market drops to the downside. So I appreciate you guys being here. Let's go. Sorry if you heard that cough earlier. I didn't realize my mic was on. Sorry, Andrew. But hey, appreciate you guys joining up. I'm sure a lot of you are into some puts after yesterday, or at least hopefully you're into calls on like SQQQ or SPXS or something like that. But I'll say this, SQQQ and SPXS are looking amazing today. SQQQ actually opened up just higher than $20. SPXS opened at $14.90. So let's go, guys. If you've been swinging this with me, you guys deserve the victory. That's all I gotta say, because it's been a long swing. We've been swinging this since August or something, or it's been a long time. Okay, so maybe since like the very beginning of September. It was insane though. We timed the low pretty damn easy on this one. So let's go, guys. I think that we could keep holding this a little while longer and catch some of this better downwards movement as it comes. Now, specifically intraday today, be very careful trading puts right off the bat. Okay, I kind of feel like that we're gonna see some crazy moves down here. Oh, Corbin, no. I missed you too, Corbin. Good to see ya. Go Huskers. Yeah, Sean, when I said that, I was like, does he even like the Huskers really? I was like, he has to though, right? Figured he did. But I have a problem trying to trade the puts today. Man, we're down so much the past 2 days. It's going to be hard to get that really fire entry, I think, that people are going to really look for. And I would love to say that, hey, I'm going to sit here and buy puts all day today, but it's going to be a tougher trade than just doing that. It looks like the markets are kind of obviously pulling back up. It opened a little bit. A lot of these stocks are pointing back up slightly too. At least Microsoft looks pretty weak. What about Tesla today? Nice, they're dipping down pretty hard. See it open, even they had a pretty big wick though. Pretty insane moves here, though. Man, I'll say this, guys. Today, my throat is terrible. So if I sound a little bit extra worse today, I felt way worse the other days, like Monday and Tuesday. But for some reason, I feel way worse than yesterday, which is weird. But, man, this COVID's really kicking my ass. All I've been doing is, like, eating fruit and crap, too, but let's go, though. Boeing starting to break down pretty good. I've been waiting for a break under 200 for them. You guys are going to fucking laugh at this. I was pissed. I was pissed when I woke up this morning. The first stock I go to look at is AMD. I was like, oh, shit. I look at my watch list and I, like, see SQQQ up, and I'm like, oh, boy. I'm like, oh, what kind of gap down are we dealing with today? I go look at AMD and I'm like, son of a bitch, we're under $100. Are you kidding me? I was really hoping to catch that break under 100. We're still at like 98, which isn't bad. And what's kind of cool is if AMD pulls up, maybe hits off resistance, you could get an entry there. But I don't know, unless it breaks low of day now, there's like a no entry on this one for me today. Hopefully you were already inputs on this if you're going to get them today. But if not, I don't know if I'd play it anymore. Carl said it happens at times. Oh, it does. It does. It sucks. I hate it. I hate the pre-market movement. I know a lot of people hate it too. It's a pretty universally hated thing. It wouldn't be bad if you could trade options in pre-market. I wouldn't give a shit if that were the case. But wow, actually in the earnings tab on Discord, they actually posted about AMD. Earnings Whispers did last night. That's pretty big. Go follow me on Twitter, guys, at Tom_StockedUp. Let's go. That's pretty funny. But yeah, AMD starting to come back up a little bit today. SPY 2. We just had such a red past few days. I don't think that the market could really have another crazy move to the downside, but it's definitely doable as the day goes. Someone said they got a scoot. Should they sell AMD and coin puts? Sell? Like sell to open? Enphase, a pretty good swing for sure. Let's go see. ENPH. Oh, come on. 125. Good for a swing. You know, I don't think I would right now, to be honest. A swing. I think it's good for a swing with shares. I don't think I would swing this one with calls, though. No business trading says, I'll take it. You're a god among men, sir. I don't know about that. Shit, I can't even get over the COVID, man. Netflix is pretty green today. Is it? No way. Wow. What the hell? Damn, they recovered all the way back up. How is Disney? Let's see. DIS. Ooh. Disney's coming back alive. It's time to long Disney. Hell yeah. Hang on, guys. Sorry about that. Those coughs just come and go randomly. Whew. DIS would have been 100% for me. Left my gains on the table, Simp said. Damn. In on SPY puts. Booty. Nice. SPY puts. I like that. I overall love that play today. I feel like we're getting to the point of being a little bit too low over the past couple days, but... Nice stuff, Pooty. Yeah, it's starting to turn back over pretty well. I'm hoping we can get under that low of day. I'm definitely more bearish than I am bullish. It's just, once you see sell-offs like this, usually you get some type of uptick coming back in. So, like, I'm watching AMD very closely for, like, a possible retest of 100 or something, or something like that. Meta's another one that I would love to have traded down, but they just can't break that low of this morning. That is funny, Disney's going up. Disney says, we got Mickey Mouse. You can't replace him. Hey, thanks, Mike. I appreciate you. I figure it's better than just sulking in my own misery all morning, so. Ooh. Square, though, starting to fall off. Man, everything had a big breakdown this morning. I know a lot of you guys have been following SQQQ. I'm really hoping to get a... I remember yesterday I said 20 would be a nice target. If we could get there, that was awesome. I didn't think we'd even get there this quick. But, wow, let's go. 25 next. Come on now. Let's get to 25. That would be so perfect on SQQQ for the swing. Even, you know, if you're looking to get an entry soon. I still think that there's room on this. It's just... it's going to be very volatile the next couple days. And maybe try to get in on like a pullback, right? Like try to get in like if this thing hits like 950 today or something. That would probably be a good target. Something like that. Sorry, guys. 360 even on QQQ looks pretty darn good. Look at that 360 support. Let's actually zoom out a little bit and get a better look at this. Yeah, this is a pretty good support. And look at how QQQ just fell back below the trend, which was pretty big. Ooh. That's pretty rough. And hey, I'm not gonna lie, guys, okay? You know, what have I been saying the past couple weeks, right? I've been saying puts under the trend line, right? Puts under the trend line. And what's happened here? These trend lines start to play out better and better the more you see them. I'm telling you guys. I'm telling you. The more you see them, the better they play out. Last Friday was a perfect entry. Any day this week before yesterday was just like a nice chop zone and never really recovered. Just flat, like a dead cat bounce before the big break. Man, those trends are good. Apple's strong. Kind of. It's definitely having a good recovery move. I wouldn't count it as strong, but I guess if you look over like a 5-minute period, I guess it's strong, but I wonder when it's gonna start. Maybe this will be where it hits 176. Seems like it's just coming up to retest the resistance and then go lower. Let's go to the daily. How does that look? Yeah, I could see. Yeah, I see Apple I see Apple falling off a little bit. Some of these other stocks, though, like Microsoft, like Tesla and Nvidia, just seem like they have so much room down. Look at Tesla off that recent trend line hit. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful. Tesla rejecting on the trend again. Who would have thought? Who would have thought? Well, I would have. We've had this on the chart for a few weeks now, too. Hopefully you guys have been taking advantage of some of these put opportunities lately. On a technical side of things, it's been near perfect on a lot of these. That's why I've been holding SQQQ this whole month. I haven't let it go because of these types of moves right here. Meta, what? Let's see. META. There we go. I love Meta to the downside. I hope you guys don't mean to the upside. I hope that's not what you guys mean. I really like this down. Like, I don't think there's any way they're going to get back above $300. If they do, I think it'll be a very quick recovery up and then a move back down again. I'm definitely sitting more bearish on Meta still. But for my play today, if you go to hashtag day trading, my play's on Meta actually. I'm waiting for Meta to break that low of pre-market down there around 292.75. Yeah, of course to the downside. Okay. I like that because we got pretty close to that $300 resistance here. So, like, I feel like either here would have been a good entry, or maybe if you hold off, maybe for 300, it could be good. I feel like it will be volatile today, so. Yeah, I like it down. For a quicker scalp, I would probably wait for a break under the low of this morning if you're scalping it. But if this is something you want to buy and hold for like a couple weeks, I think you could enter now then just fine if you want to do like a couple week long hold. Now keep in mind, if you're buying puts and you're holding them for a couple weeks, I would recommend going like 2 months out on the expiration, or at least like a month and a half or something if you're doing 2 weeks. It blows my mind how... Yeah, okay. I'll just say that. Maybe it's because I'm sick or something. Corbin. That would be kind of sick, wouldn't it? Man, we got to get me, you, Cornish, and Simp, and a couple other people. Ollie Bear, we got to get some golf going, right? Oh, you know, I like Goldman to the downside, Knob. I like Goldman down. I think it'll be pretty good. Goldman Sachs is also riding a key trend line too, which is funny. Goldman Sachs looks pretty funny here. Wow, somebody got some 360 strike puts for January 2025 on this. About a month ago. God damn. On 8-8. Gosh. They're probably like right around break even right now or losing. Yeah, I like banks down, though. I don't think that banks are going to do as hot as people are kind of thinking they are over the next few months. I think they're going to get hit pretty damn hard, actually. I've talked with a lot of people over the years, even like bankers and stuff, old members of the Discord that were bankers. Oh my gosh. How many times are they going to ask me this? Oh my gosh. Not you, Nom. I'm talking about, sorry, guys. Man, sometimes I just can't tell that they're coming. They just come. Hey, Mario, what's up? This is Tom, man. Appreciate you, though. No problem, though. Everyone gets us confused. How do I see Roku? The R-O-K-U. You know, it's coming up today, but, I mean, I'm bearish on it. I'm bearish on everything, man. Unless you're talking about SQQQ. I don't know. Roku's a crazy one. It's been down a lot the past couple weeks, but I think it'll go lower, honestly. I'm not a big fan of Roku. I'm not gonna lie. It ain't my favorite. So, especially for the long term. Yeah, no problem, Mario. Everyone gets it confused, so you're all good. But yeah, as far as Roku goes, I do like puts on it. For the longer term, I feel like shares would be a good way, but in the short term, man, it's got this big double top going on here. Now it's fallen a lot, but I would think a retest of this 66 to 67.50 support could be in order. That would be nice to see. Poor simp, he got some CVS puts? You're kidding me. Of course, that's one stock that is up. Poor simp. Oh, you're all good, man. It's not a problem. It is not a problem at all. Just so you know, though, Mario, I am a little sick today, so if I sound weird, that might be why. Exited Tesla, put a little over 100% gain. Hope I didn't sell too soon. Ooh, you probably did sell too soon, unfortunately, but I love it down, though. I love it down here. Rejecting off 260. Ooh, Tessie, low of day. Ooh. Go look at the free day trade today by the Sniper Bot, guys. Go check it out. Free Sniper Bot day trade. $250 on the book map is the next major level, but there's a few minor areas mixed in at like every $1 mark on Tesla. We can see that on book map. See where all those orders are stacked. Here, I'll zoom in. I love zooming in and watching it. It's so fun. You guys will really see some crazy movement now. It's like watching a tick chart. I guess this is like a tick chart in a way. Except it ticks away at milliseconds. Rather than volume. Carlo, you know, I've been pretty bearish on Boeing the past few weeks. Whenever I go look at Boeing, I see a stock that's just up way too much in the short term, right? Like you look at Boeing and it goes on these crazy runs, right? Like the COVID recovery, that was a great run. And now this recovery from lows was a great run. So, like, you know, like whenever stocks go up like, you know, 100% or 70%, 50%, 200%, it gets to a point to where like there has to be a pullback. You know, like there's gonna be sellers at some point. And I feel like that's kind of like what we hit now. Now, as far as like Boeing news, I think there was some more bad news with 737s. But if you want to get on a technical basis with Boeing, like a charting basis, we've been screaming puts on this one for weeks now. See on the chart how there's been this trend line going on? I've been watching this trend line like a hawk over the past few weeks. Boeing finally got under this trend line at the very beginning of September. And ever since we broke out of that trend, it's been straight down. These charts are very important whenever you're trading, okay? They are very important. These trends are... I don't get it. I mean, there must be like algos connected to these trends, or I don't know. But they work out so well, especially lately. Once you see like a big trend break, it's like, boy, the put opportunities are there. That's all we gotta say. Like right here on the SPY is another one. You know, there's been so many of these happening lately. Nvidia has some. Go out to like an hourly chart, right? Look at Nvidia. They were in a huge uptrend here for a while. Right on the blue line now. I'll try to draw it in here. See that blue one? That's kind of that trend up that we had there. And once we kind of broke under that, it really kind of kicked off that selling. We did come up and like retest the trend and then really go. So like these trend breaks are very important to stocks. Like I said, I can't tell you if it's like algos connected to them or what, but whenever you see these breaks, like sellers just rush into these things, especially whenever they're overextended, like they've already all been. Like every single stock in the market just about was way overextended, unless you're talking about like Zoom or Disney or some piece of crap stock, you know? I'm not saying that they're pieces of crap, but they have been lately. We'll say that. It might have just been your phone, Mike. Thinkorswim patterns are pretty good to use to find those trends. What do you mean by patterns, Sean? I don't... Yeah, you can do... Honestly, like, you could chart that type of stuff on almost anything. Like, you could chart it on Thinkorswim. You can chart it on TradeStation, TradingView, Interactive Brokers, Street Smart Edge. E-Trade even has, like, their own... You could do it pretty good on there, too. Trying to think of who else. Lightspeed trading, but I doubt anyone uses them because you have to have a 25K minimum. Man, I used to love Lightspeed. Lightspeed trading. Let's go see their website. Lightspeed trading. It's been a long time with them. Cool. I always used to love the way their platform looked. Pretty dope. Netflix to the downside. Uh-oh. Yeah, you know, I think that's a good entry here, actually. I like that. I like that as a play. Ran right up into resistance. Around 395. Now rejecting really hard. Yeah, I like this play. I like it back down. I mean, man, whenever I zoom out, though, Netflix is down so much the past few weeks. Now I'm getting scared. But your thought on Penn calls next week? Let's see. 10 calls. Oh, interesting, Sean. Let me try that out. Let me try that. I didn't even know that was a thing. I see what you're saying now. I thought maybe you meant something like that, but then I was like, man, I feel like I would have heard of that by now, but... do you just click this? Oh, shit. That is cool, Sean. Sean, that's pretty badass. That's pretty badass. I never even knew that. I actually love that, Sean. That's really cool. I've never heard of that, though. It looks like something on FinViz. Like, it would auto put them all on there. It's kind of neat. This guy wants a book map. I swear to God, like, the next person to mispronounce... Duh. No more posting the book map unless they get the name right. Everyone calls it the fucking heat map, dude. I swear to God. I'm just messing with you, Bubba Doo, if you're hearing that. I'm just messing with you, man. Everyone calls it heat map, though. It's not just you. It's not just you. Gengar. Damn it, Gengar. You knew what to do. Oh, shit, Gengar. I like it. Hey, Nom Nom, here, I'll show you what he did. He showed me this. So you can go to Thinkorswim and click patterns here. Oh, hang on, I gotta get somebody a link real quick. But in the top right corner of your screen, there's patterns. Select patterns. And look at this crap. I never knew you could do this. You could select a head and shoulders, or a pennant, or a triangle, or a triple bottom, triple top, falling wedge even, channel up, channel down. I mean, that's insane that it'll throw it all on there for you. Now, I will say this. I generally only like upwards and downwards trends, maybe some, you know, triangles here and there, stuff like that, but... See if I can get this link here. See if I can, if anyone out here is interested in Bookmap, I'm gonna be posting a, link into the chat that'll help you learn a little bit if you go check this out. Pretty sick. I'm just trying to make sure I get the right one. I believe the course is free. Yeah, it's free. Yeah, so if anyone is out there looking for that, check out the Discord chat. I just threw it in discussion. I'll throw it in here too. It's like a little course that you can get started on Bookmap with. Teaches you how the lines work, like what all of these things are on here. It'll teach you about the dots on here, like the volume dots. It'll teach you the places where you see the orders stacked up, which is where I think you'd call it the heat map. Then you got the DOM and all that too. Current order book, SVP. They'll teach you all that. You think we're just going to sell off all day? You think we're going to retest 437, 438? That must be on the SPY, of course. I could see us testing 437. That's a tough question, isn't it? I kind of hope that we sell all day, but I don't see that happening. I mean, it could, though, given everything that's going on with Powell and stuff, but... it's pretty good. Yeah, if anyone out there's interested in Bookmap, hit up that link. That's so cool, though, Sean. I never knew that. You learn something every day, they say, right? Let's go back to Penn Gaming. Not sure I answered that question fully. Yeah, I don't like calls on that, unfortunately, especially for next week. If you were going to buy shares of this, buy them up. Buy them now. If you like Penn, man, buy them. But if you're talking about options, I don't think I'd get calls here. Whoa, what's this? Intel chip deal rumor with Apple. What the? Oh, shit. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Link? Intel chip deal with Apple? That would be pretty big, don't you guys think? That's gotta be pretty big. I thought Apple just tried to get out of doing deals with Intel. Why the hell would they do another one? He said it was a rumor and I haven't got my link yet, so don't get too excited, guys. But Intel is moving a little bit, so I'll give it that. Let's see if I can see the news here. The news has to be on Twitter. It's always on here. $INTC. Yep, here it is. Is that real, though? Crap. Weird, I'm not seeing, like, much news about it. Oh, this is kind of a cool looking video here. Look at this. The market share for semiconductors. Where's AMD? They gotta come flying up this list, right? Come on, A and B. Come on. No way. AMD's gotta be bigger than these other companies, right? There we go. There they go. Well, I guess there's just one little rumor for it, but the stock is moving quite well, so I gotta give it that. I mean, this might be a real rumor, guys. If the stock's upticking this much today from this, like AMD's not. No. Nvidia. No. Yeah, something's up here. Maybe there really is a, maybe this really is going on. CCJ to the downside. What? Let's see. Yeah, I kind of think it's down. Yeah. This stock is way too overextended, man. Way too overextended. We still have Mike's support here, though. It's up like 100% from Mike's support, which was cool. That was cool. Oh, Mike, Intel would jump way more than Apple would on that. Yeah, Intel, Mike, Intel. Apple, that's probably bad news for Apple, because that means that they aren't able to make enough of their own chips or something, because they've been making their own chips to go against Intel's chips. So they were supposedly not supposed to be done using Intel chips. So looks like they've been getting screwed over a little bit. Or maybe they just didn't quite have enough. Hang on, guys. Gosh, can't quit coughing today. Man, I felt better yesterday than I did today. Like I got worse today. What the hell? I'm glad I didn't feel like this yesterday for that extended stream. Damn. It's way worse today. I hope nobody gets the COVID this season, man. This has been bad. It's been terrible. I was pissed too. My girlfriend got free tickets to the Cardinals game yesterday to go into some special seats that it's like all you can eat, all you can drink, and you got to sit in like a special spot and like watch the game and all this shit. Like I was like, she said she got tickets for free and I was like, God damn it. I was like, I can't go. So she went with her dad, but I was like, man, I wanted to get the free, you guys might have gotten some funny responses from me last night in the chat if I would have went to that. But I couldn't do it. I'm glad I didn't go because I would have felt like crap. X, US Steel. Okay, nothing. Tesla's still one I like down. Maybe not necessarily today, but the next few days, I love it down. I loved it down heading into today, but these pre-market moves just, man, they really ruined a lot of these opportunities, in my opinion. Yeah, like look at Apple now. It's trying to come back. Intel, Microsoft. Got to refresh the page on Intel. Come on, any news? Any news? Who the hell's Chance Miller? No way Intel would use that old ass logo. No way. Weird, I just can't find anything that would make it work. What the hell's this? Succession? What does that mean? Oh. See any stock market news here? Whoa. That guy made 1.2 million today. That's pretty good. Really damn good, I must say. Yep, here they come. Now these stocks are coming right back up. Yeah, see those pre-market moves screwed us. Or screwed the opportunities, in my opinion. Man, I really wanted AMD under 100. When, like, as it broke, though, I didn't want to get in like it opened today. But, you know what? You have to take what the market gives you, so... I'm sitting here watching AMD close. They're still kind of closer to their low of day than a lot of other stocks are, but... Nvidia's starting to come back up. Let's see, Meta. Maybe Meta calls? I mean, it's... Yeah. I don't know. I think you'd have to have some kahunas to trade some Meta calls right here. That would be... pretty wild. Open up our watch list. FedEx is up 5%. You know, that's the funny thing. FedEx is the one who gave my girlfriend those tickets yesterday. That's funny. They're up with their earnings, which is cool. But yeah, they're the ones who gave her the tickets. That's pretty good. Speaking of FedEx, they've been in like a longer term trend line here. Like so. And then I'm actually going to draw out another one because I think that there's even more. Like this one. Yeah. Look at that. Look at that. Interesting. Perfect bounce, though. That's so weird, man. Like, what makes these stocks move on these trends? Like, I have some theories. It's either algos on the trends, or it's just a whole bunch of retail traders all buying them up off the trends at the same time. Gotta be one or the other, I feel like, right? Sue said, so given the price action, would you not follow the sniper bot today? Well, sniper bot came out at 850. Yeah. Yeah, see, that's like one of those plays, Sue, where like as the play came out, like I was looking at it and I was like, damn, Tesla's breaking its low of day, right? It's looking awesome. But we had that fake out and now Tesla's ripping right back up. That, Sue, I would just chalk it up to just being a fake out type of play. You know, that sometimes that's how it goes whenever you're trading higher momentum stuff and you're trading day trades. You know, sometimes you get those breaks like this. And I mean, man, that was a perfect break on Tesla too. But just faked out, and that's what happens sometimes. And it's unfortunate. It's unfortunate to see. I think, though, that as the day goes, that play could still be good. It's just going to get extremely volatile here in the short term. Yeah, I'm sure. I bet the stops already been hit on this one. Yeah, you win some, you lose some, you know, it sucks, but sometimes that's just how it is, you know. You can't win every single play, and that's why you have stop losses and stuff in there. Even the best traders in the world lose, like, you know, 40% of the time. And we're talking about, like, the best traders, so keep that in mind. Hopefully, though, you had some stops there, which would be good. Yeah. Hopefully had some stops in place. And the good thing is there's always opportunities for re-entry as well. So, like, I'm watching this intraday support right around 265.30. Like, maybe if we get under that, you could have, like, a re-entry to the downside. If we get under there. MSFT, quick bounce. Any particular reason or just hit support? Let's see. Bounce. Oof. What the fuck? That is a big move. Let's search up Microsoft. Oh, wow. They just have a new chatbot they came out with. Wow, they have some news rolling through, guys. Yeah, they got some news. Microsoft-owned GitHub rolls out AI-powered coding chatbot to more users. Sounds good. I don't know if that's the news, though, that would have made him rip like this. I mean, that's a pretty good move, I'd say, out of Microsoft here. Weird. Hearing something about Copilot availability. Copilot availability for Microsoft? True, it could be just watch, but I bet a lot of stop losses have already been triggered, you know? Like, of course, it's good to hold sometimes, but you hold too long, it can get you. But I really like it. If you did get stopped out, I think you could get in for another re-entry to the downside, like as we break some of these supports. If you didn't get out yet, you know, it could still be a good area to hold. I like 260 as a big resistance overhead. I feel like it'd be hard to get above that today for Tesla, so. The market sure is making it hard today, aren't they? Our main moves all came in pre-market, of course. You know, this is why those pre-market moves suck. Right here. Because then when the market opens, it's like a big frenzy. Anyone realize that SoFi's trading platform is hot garbage on a summer's day? That's funny you say that. I have SoFi. Let me get on there on my phone and check it out real quick. I've never tried to buy or do anything on it, really. Let me go click on their investing tab and see what it says. Get started. Let's see. I want to trade stocks and ETFs only. Get started. It says they'll give me $1,000 of free stock. Oh, I don't feel like doing this. Oh. I'm not re-signing up. Screw that. Man, I wanted to see what the platform looked like, though. That would have been cool. Yeah, weird. I've never used their platform too much, but it's interesting. What even causes them pre-market? Oh, AJ, well, you know, pre-market opens up at like 4 a.m., so technically anybody can buy and sell during that time. Usually, pre-market, like right at open, there's like a whole bunch of algos and stuff like that on board. Or, imagine this, you know, there's a lot of big accounts out there, maybe holding a lot of stocks that are high. And like, let's just say like right when the pre-market opens, you know, these guys have like sell orders in to sell and stuff. So it kind of like triggers some selling, especially on days like this, where we're coming off of a weird FOMC meeting, you know, where everybody's getting pissed at our boy Powell. All right, here's Tessie coming down for another retest down here. If you guys are still in, kudos. If you're looking for a re-entry, I think there could be an opportunity here soon. If not here, if you want to be really safe, make it break like 255.50. But I think even here, I don't know. The market has to go down some more, right? I am in double down. Oh, shit. Not that, AJ. Be careful doing that, but I hope it works. Come on, Tessie. Reject off here for us. I love that we got under that little support there. Doesn't mean we'll go down for sure, though. Wish it did. If it meant that, I'd be putting $10 million in there. If it was for sure. Oh, it's all good, AJ. Sometimes that's how it be. Ah, 255.50, come on. Uh-oh, Purdy. How was yesterday with those Iron Condors, Purdy? Were they, how did that go? I have a feeling with how the SPY moved. I'm not gonna say I'm right or wrong here, Purdy, but I feel like over the next couple months or couple weeks, you're gonna take a little bit of L's if you keep doing those, but I think it'll still be okay. I think we're gonna get a little bit more volatile than we've been used to, so just a thought. I know though, you know, nobody ever says they lose in the chat, so it's okay. Got Boeing here. Reopen more. Man, Purdy, you've been killing it on those, though, lately. Oof. I'm really watching for SPY to possibly fall down to like 420. That's going to be the big area and target that I really hope for is 420. That would be big. And no, it's not 420 because of the weed. Not because of that. That was funny this morning. Well, Conductor? He's posting like pictures of his grow house in the chat. I was Watch Tesla. We at resistance. Let's see. TSLA 260. Yeah. I like that 260 resistance. I like that a lot today. Even if we go up a little bit more, I feel like it'd be tough to get through 260. Come on, though, Tesla. Get a big move down. Oh, shit. Yeah, that Fed meeting was fucking wild, wasn't it? I thought at first, like, whenever we started going through the meeting, I couldn't believe that we recovered up, like we did here. Let's see if I can find it. Here we go. Right here. Whenever we first had the interest rate decision come out and we fell, we started recovering, and I was like, please don't be one of those days. And then we finally got the move back. I was like, oh, thank the Lord. But call credit spreads. Yeah. Could have been pretty good. You did have some SQQQ though, didn't you, Purdy? I think, didn't you say you had some of that? That's somebody else. I think, didn't you day trade SQQQ? That was pretty fire. So you probably made up for it, right? You probably made up for it in a way. TSLA? Man, I'm really just... It's consolidating so hard at this little intraday support. Like, come on. Get away from here. Ugh. Oh, wow. November 17th. Nice, Purdy. That has some good time to it. Nice. I wasn't expecting that much time. That's cool. Oh, gosh. Yeah. I'll say that, Purdy. That seems like a pretty safe one. If we end up out of there, that's going to be 417, 413. Yeah, like I'm targeting 420 to the downside. So yeah, I like that, Purdy. That's going to be a good one. Everybody needs to go follow that trade Purdy's doing right now, seriously. Unless we get like a market crash that's out of this world over the next couple weeks, but I kind of like that one, Purdy. Man, watch us end up at like 400 or some shit now. That would suck. Back in the Tesla put, YOLO, Nam said. Uh-oh. YOLO. You only live once, I guess, right? I haven't heard that one in a while. YOLO. You know, whenever I was in high school, that was the big thing. I was like 13, 14, 15. Man, that's all I heard was YOLO, YOLO, YOLO. Oh, shit. I'll never forget, like, I think, like, I had one of the funniest things ever from school, and I gotta tell you guys this story. I think you guys will like this. You guys will get a little kick out of this one while we watch Tesla try to move a little bit here. Come on, Tesla. So we were in school, and there was this one kid that would join our classes, right? And I can't tell you what he had wrong with him, but, you know, he was in, like, one of those classes, right? Like the, what would you say? The special needs classes, okay? And honestly, he was pretty normal. But I guess there was just something a little there, you know? But there was one time in class where this was the funniest thing in the whole world to me. We had this teacher named Mr. Griffin, and he had this guy was like 6'8", and his head looked like Andre the Giant or something, okay? Like this, and his voice was like the deepest voice I've ever heard. Uh, I don't know if this guy was on trend or he just had like a natural gift from God or something. This teacher, he was one of the nicest teachers I've ever met. In the middle of this class, this one time, this kid, he yells out YOLO in the class. He goes, YOLO. And the guy goes, what was that, John? And he goes, YOLO. And he goes, John, I need you to be quiet. And he goes, John goes, Mr. Griffin, you have a big head. and if you would have seen the way that this teacher's face turned red, oh my God, man. Oh my gosh, I was dying whenever he said that. Oh, that kid became like a legend to me in that 20 seconds. If you would have seen this teacher though, you would have laughed your ass off. And the funny thing about the kid is he was like really small, you know, and like really short and probably weighed like 120 pounds or something. And the teacher goes, he goes, you wouldn't like it if I called you small, would you? And it got so funny, their argument back and forth. Oh gosh. But come on, Tesla, go down here. Go down. Oh. 31% ROC. That's pretty damn good. Roku, Microsoft recovering. Yeah, everything's like recovering now, isn't it? Holy shit, Microsoft. Really going through the roof right now. Good job, Microsoft. There we go. There we go. Pretty good. Roku, come on now. ROKU. Got to get some good movement with them, right? A lot of these moves today are just very bland to me. What do you guys think? Whoa, 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 whoa. Hang on, guys. Hang on. Did I just see a spider? Oh, shit. What is this? What the? You guys ever have that happen? Like where you see something out of the corner of your eye and you're like, what was that? Yeah, we need a Tessie drop is what we need. My bad. When I'm saying come on, I mean come on to the downside. Hey, good news on Tessie. This is like a bit of an inverse head and shoulders here, in a way. Or not an inverse, just a normal head and shoulders, sorry. Normal head and shoulders. You know, I don't really think that Microsoft would run up too much from the news, but what kind of news is there? I didn't even... Is it just that AI news, or was there more? Oh, there's the co-pilot. There we go. I didn't know what the hell you guys meant at first. You said the co-pilot. I was like, what the hell are they talking about? Now I see. Came out 2 minutes ago on Thinkorswim. Thanks, Thinkorswim. They've been kind of slow lately with the news. Twitter's been better. Anytime I want stock news now, I just go to x.com and type in $MSFT, and it comes right up. Waiting for a fall on VIX now that I've sold my spreads. You're waiting for a fall on VIX? Wow, Purdy. I'm expecting VIX to really start to pop here soon. I guess you'll see a fall eventually, though. It always kind of comes back down. Look at the VIX. Look at these VIX trend lines that I've been watching for the past like 4 or 5 years. It's pretty cool. VIX goes in these big runs like this, and it was holding that lower trend the whole time until recently. Then recently we hit here and rejected. Very hard to say. All right. Well, hey, I appreciate you guys joining up today. It was a pretty good stream. I mean, it wasn't my favorite movement today. I'm not going to lie on that one. Definitely not my favorite movement from open. But I kind of expected this because of how low we ran in pre-market and etc. We were even talking about it in Discord a little bit. There were some people in there saying, I'm worried. And I'm like, me too. That's my big worry. And this is exactly why I'm worried right here. But that's too bad for Tesla here. You know, it's coming back up now. Son of a bitch, Tesla. Hate it when that happens with these stocks sometimes, but you know, that's the market, right? That is how the cookie crumbles sometimes. Keep your eyes on it, though. This 258 and then 260 resistance is going to be big today. I think we'll have problems at 258, and I even think we'll have problems at 260, but we'll have to see. I hate Tesla after today. Yeah, I feel you, AJ. I feel you. I would hate it today, too. I hate it today. Yeah. Hopefully, though, we keep rejecting at 258. Hey, look, there's a chance, maybe. Come on, Tessie. One last chance here. All right, well, hey, I appreciate you guys. Oh, okay, Purdy. I see. Yeah, you know, I'm kind of feeling like the next couple weeks we'll kind of move up a little bit on VIX. But I think though that after a couple weeks or after we get to like the middle of October, then I think that we're going to start to see VIX go back down again. But I'm curious because, you know, VIX is one of those things like if the market gets a little choppy, then VIX is going to be a big chop fest. So we all know how that goes with VIX. Sniper Bot's my best friend. I love that. Appreciate you joining up though, Purdy. Love the plays you put in the chat for us. Always cool to go over yours. Appreciate everybody though. AJ, Mitch, Mario, Carlo, Purdy, Mitchell. Just Watch, Sue, Nom Nom, Mike, Jamie, Oscar, Andrew. Awesome, Andrew. You're the first one here today, Pooty. Appreciate you guys, though. Let's have a good rest of the day. AFRM to the downside. What do I think? AFRM. I probably like that one from what I'm seeing here. AFRM. Ooh, is Tessie rejecting? Yeah, Tesla, come on. Hold this. SPY is starting to come down a little bit now, too. Look at SPY. Okay. Just so choppy, though. Oh, just watch it. Yeah, it auto-turned itself. Now that I went to the page, it auto-turned itself back on. It auto-turns itself off after an hour, and it goes, are you sure you're still listening? Like, Yeah, I would turn it off, you dumbass YouTube. Like, I wish I could disable that setting somehow. They probably do that bullcrap because it's like their servers or something, you know, if people keep them running all day, but... Yeah, it auto turns off after an hour. Here we go, though. I'll put it back on. Good vibes while trading. Appreciate you. Yeah, hey, Hector, let's go. Good job, Hector. Appreciate all you guys and all the lurkers out there, too. Seriously, you guys make the stream what it is. Appreciate you guys being here. I know today wasn't as exciting as yesterday with Powell, but wow. Oh, hey, I appreciate you guys, though. Let's have a good day. Walk away with those profits today. Let's go have some fun in the Discord. I'll see you guys there. Have a good one, guys. Don't forget, if you're interested in Bookmap, check out this link. It'll give you a nice, it'll give you a pretty nice course to take. And the course is actually, let's see if I can open that up. Because it's kind of neat. So, like, when you do the course, you know, like, it tells you you're done and all that stuff. It tells you how to add symbols. Shows you what all the stuff is. So, it's really cool. No, don't do that. Appreciate you guys, though. Have a good one.